Imagine waking up at the break of dawn, not to the sound of an alarm, but to the crowing of a rooster. As the first rays of sun pierce the quiet morning, the day of a female farmer begins. Her morning routine is not dictated by the ticking of a clock, but by the rhythm of nature itself. The dew-kissed earth beneath her feet, the crisp morning air, the symphony of birds serenading the new day. All part of her world, her life. Her tasks are many, her responsibilities vast. From tending to the livestock to nurturing the crops, her labor breathes life into the farm. It's a labor of love, of devotion, born out of a deep-rooted connection to the land she cultivates. She is not just a farmer, she is a caretaker, a steward of the earth. Her day is filled with physical exertion, from the break of dawn till the stars take their place in the night sky. Every seed sown, every crop harvested, every animal fed requires strength, not just physical but mental and emotional. Each task is a testament to her resilience, to her relentless spirit that refuses to yield to the hardships. But this isn't just about work, it's about passion. A passion that transcends the mundane, the routine. A passion that sees beyond the sweat and toil to the beauty of growth, the miracle of life. Every sprouting seed, every blooming flower, every ripening fruit is a marvel she has helped create. It's a love affair with the land, with nature, with life itself. Yet it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The life of a female farmer is a life of uncertainty, of risks and challenges. The weather is unpredictable, the markets fluctuating, pests and diseases ever-looming threats. But she faces these challenges head-on, armed with knowledge, experience, and an unwavering determination. Now imagine that these routines, this lifestyle, this passion, is threatened by something beyond your control. Meet Jane, a female farmer from a small village. Jane's life, like many others, has been drastically changed by climate change. Settled in the heart of the countryside, Jane's days are dictated by the rhythm of the seasons. Yet, these rhythms, once reliable, have become increasingly unpredictable due to the effects of climate change. Unseasonal rainfalls and extended droughts have led to repeated crop failures, turning the once thriving fields into landscapes of loss. Jane's farming practices have had to adapt to these new challenges. She's had to diversify her crops, planting those more resistant to erratic weather patterns. But even this has not been a fail-safe solution. The unpredictability of the weather has not only affected the growth of her crops, but also invited unwelcome guests. Increased pests and diseases have become a common sight in Jane's fields. These intruders, coupled with the unpredictable weather, have significantly reduced her yield, pushing her livelihood to the brink. But it's not just Jane who's affected. These changes have ripple effects throughout her community. The reduced yield means less food for the village. The once bustling local market, filled with the fruits of Jane's labor, now often stands sparse. The community, which once thrived on the produce from Jane's fields, now faces the threat of food insecurity. Yet, amidst these challenges, Jane's resilience shines through. She's continuously learning, adapting her farming practices to better cope with the changing climate. Her story serves as a stark reminder of the very real impacts of climate change on individuals and communities. But Jane is not alone. Countless farmers worldwide are grappling with the same challenges. The story of Jane is a story shared by many farmers across the globe. It's a story of adaptation and resilience in the face of a changing world, a story of the human spirit's indomitable will to thrive against all odds. Climate change is not a distant future threat. It is here, and it is affecting the lives of people like Jane every day. Today, we've explored the life of a female farmer, a life that is no stranger to hard work, resilience, and the ever-changing whims of Mother Nature. We've seen how climate change is not just about hotter summers or colder winters. It's about unpredictable weather patterns, increased pests, and dwindling resources that are making farming, a task already full of challenges, even tougher. We've also seen how these changes are not just statistics on a page, but a daily reality for farmers like Jane. The urgency of addressing climate change is not up for debate. It's time for everyone to acknowledge this reality and take action, because the future of our food, our farmers, and our planet depends on it.